Hello everybody, and welcome to a new video of SP3D. In this video, I will show you the 15 centimeter ruler I have designed at freecad and 3D printed at my bambulab X1C. I have designed this ruler because I needed a lightweight and flexible ruler with millimeter precision. Also, I needed to promote my logo at social platforms once again, so SP3D is placed on the ruler. I have printed the ruler many times with different colors and pairs of PLA filament. I used 0.2 millimeter nozzle because thin lines of millimeters could not be printed with 0.4 millimeter nozzle. Now, with the ruler, I can draw straight lines of specific lengths up to 15 centimeters with millimeter precision. I can also measure distances up to 15 centimeters with millimeter precision. As far as I show you the design at freecad, I inform you that you can download the STL file of the ruler from my account at makerwold.com for free. If you like this videos and you want to watch more of them, the only thing you have to do is to follow me at socials with the name SP3D. You can find me on the following social media platforms: YouTube, TikTok, X, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you for watching my video about this awesome 15 centimeter ruler designed for lightweight use, flexibility, and millimeter precision. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, drop a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.